Hi, it's Nat. So yeah, the Cymellia Yummy Calculator reminder that Cymellia is a trademark. It has nothing to do with the company which is closed. Let's calculate ginger cake. You can click here or you can just hit tab. If for some reason you input the wrong thing, you're going to have an error message. Total servings for this type of cake, I don't know, I don't really count. 10, let's say 10. Yeah, I typed enter by clicking add ingredient as the same. So what do we need? Eggs. 12, and we are using 3. So here you have item, grams, milliliters. Here it's 3 eggs, so item. If you're using other units, you just use items, and you can just manually change it, add it in the file that you will have saved. I will show you. So here we'll go with items. 3 eggs, wet flour, it's important to input everything in grams. You cannot just input here 5 kilos and then here grams, because obviously it's going to cause issues if you do huge quantities, like you're a restaurant or organizing an event or something. You can just go here, use kilos, but here you will need to use kilos too. It has to be the same unit, otherwise it won't work properly. So here you can just tab, enter, or you can click on it. Tab, enter. See, because I selected grams, 15. I don't know. How much do I use? Like, I use really a little. I don't measure, I'm going to say. And it's grams, enter. Ginger. I use a soup spoon, let's say 2 grams. Agave syrup. I usually add 3 soup spoons. What does make 15 grams? Okay, let's say 15 grams. Oil. Alrighty. 20. I use, let's say 50. Here you go. Calculate. So now that it's calculated, you can actually save it. The recipe was successfully saved. It's saved in the document folder, so if there is no documents folder, it won't be able to save. The first time it created a file which is called Yummy Recipes in the documents folder, and the recipe is saved. Here you can just change, like if you want to change grams into another unit, you can just copy and paste. You can change the color, blue, and you can just save. You can make another file. You can make one for cakes, one for salted dishes, one for entries, one extra. Actually, you can still add something. After it's been saved once, you cannot save anymore. You can't. You can still add an ingredient though. If you're thinking, okay, that's the price, but what if I use chocolate chips in it? You can still chocolate chips. I don't know how much it costs, like 25. I don't know, let's say how much do I use? Half of it. Grams, add ingredient. You can still add an ingredient and calculate. You can compare And now you can save again. It will save everything again. You can just delete though. You can just delete the first one. Anyway, if you input something actually you got the wrong, you can just clear everything. I don't know if I'm going to add a scroll bar actually, because you can just do that using the wheel of the mouse, so it doesn't work with the arrows though. So now we're going to reset. Chocolate ice cream in calculate. Save. See, it's saved in the same file. That's all for today. See you next time.